We're going to replace the LED screen on the laptop. It's a Gateway NV76R series. So to start with, we're going to pop the screw covers here on the screen and unscrew the screws holding the bevel in place. Okay. Then we're going to pop the bevel loose. Ready? Lift it forward. Set the bevel aside. Then in this middle bracket, there's little screws. We're going to pull these little screws out. There's 4 on each side. There were 2 screws holding the cover in. Set your screws aside. I'll put a paper towel down. Fold the screen forward. Okay, let go. Unattach this little piece right up here. Unplugs. Then we're going to unattach this piece right down here. It's taped on. Can you hold that piece right in? And take this piece right here. Now that's loose. Lift out the old broken screen, set it aside. Take the new screen. Remove the protective cover. Set it into place. Reattach this piece. Line it up carefully. And smaller fingers. Okay, slide that back in, reposition the webcam piece. Reconnect this tape back down. Now reverse the process with the screws. Screw the 4 little screws back in. Again, 4 on each side, same ones you just took out. Getting that side. The smaller screws go on the sides here, and the bigger screws are saved for the front bezel. You got the 4 on that side? Got the last one? Okay. Pop the bezel back on. Pop it on all around. Put your screws in. Right here. Put your screws in to hold it in place. Replace your screw covers and put the battery back in. We took the battery out at the beginning just for safety, and then power it up and you're good to go. That's it. Thanks.